Skatebolt is an electric skateboard company based in Los Angeles whose main goal is to offer electric skateboards that are safe, convenient, and affordable. The Breeze II is our next generation electric skateboard. It's the fastest in the market and has the longest lasting battery, which will last 15 to 18 miles. It has 4 speed modes: low, medium, high, and high plus. The high and high plus speed can go up to 28 miles per hour on 100mm wheels and 25 miles per hour on 90mm wheels. Medium can go up to 15 miles per hour and low at 7 miles per hour on 90mm wheels. The trucks used has a diameter of 310mm, providing a more stable riding experience. Pushing down on the brake of the remote and pressing the HL button will change the braking modes. There's B1 through B4. B1 brakes the softest, while B4 brakes the hardest. We recommend B2 for most riders. The Breeze II is also waterproof for less than 1 meter and can stay submerged for up to 20 seconds. Our ESC protected box is made of aluminum, giving it good heat dissipation and higher strength. Most electric skateboards, you have to replace the battery by removing the grip tape, which can damage the board. The Breeze II has an easily replaceable battery case on the bottom. Now skaters can detach the wheels from the motor. With most electric boards, replacing the wheels also means replacing the motor since they're connected to each other. On the Breeze II, you can simply remove the wheel without removing the motor, helping you save money in the long run. Parking at school can be a pain, and so can getting to your class on time. Skating to class on a Breeze II is a stylish way to make sure you're on time for your exam. The deck material is made of bamboo with double layers of fiberglass, making the board flexible and resilient. The remote's LCD screen will give you details such as distance traveled, battery life, speed, and more. Pushing down on the LED while you're riding will activate a cruise control mode and will maintain its speed without using the accelerator. There's also 2 LED taillights that flash while holding the brake, assuring your safety when riding at night.